This is Dr. Holt. This video has to do with the drag force problems that were presented on WebAssign. The first problem here, you have a ping pong ball, has a mass of 2.3 grams and a terminal speed of 9.4 meters a second. The drag force is of the form BV squared. What is the value of B? Anytime you reach terminal speed, the summation of forces in the y direction must equal to 0. So here I drew a free body diagram. I went ahead and did mass times gravity here. That gave me 0.02254 newtons. I took BV squared and set it equal to that going up. And all you have to do in this one is solve for B. And B in this case would be 2.55 times 10 to the minus fourth. That's a pretty easy problem. The second problem, another one very similar. You have a small pollution particle. Has terminal speed of 0.30 millimeters per second. Particle mass of 10 to the negative 10th grams, and the retarding force is BV. Again, since you have terminal speed, summation of forces in the y direction equals 0. Just take your mass times gravity here, which I did. Set your B V equal to that, because basically your summation of force in the y have to equal 0. I do that and solve for B, and I get B as 3.267 times 10 to the minus 9th. And the third problem I'm going to do, this problem is pretty easy. You have a skydiver, has a mass of 70 kilograms, constant speed. Again, magnitude of drag force. The magnitude of the drag force must equal to 70 times 9.8, because the summation of forces in the y direction must equal 0. So I put here constant velocity, summation of forces y equals 0. The drag would have to be, if it's 686 coming down here. I don't know why I put 687 here, just because the answer was, it should just be 686. And I'm assuming they use 9.81 to get this. Now if the drag force equal to BV squared, again, all you're going to do here is set this equal to BV squared, which I did, set equal to 686, and solve for B. Just be careful when you convert the kilometers per hour, get it back to meters per second, square that, and in this case you get 1.32. And the third problem said person goes into a knife position where the B value changes by 52%. In that case, you're going to summation of forces in the y equals mass times acceleration in the y. I calculate what is my drag force going up here. I subtract mass times gravity and set it equal to mass times acceleration and solve for acceleration. So again, that problem's pretty easy. So that's 3 problems. That should be enough to get you going on getting this WebAssign done.